Once upon a time, in a kingdom called Sundar, there was an old man who made a living by selling forest wood. He was quite poor, but he was known for his peculiar words and his beautiful white horse. This horse was so unique that even the king felt jealous. Many rich people tried to buy the horse, and the king offered a hefty price in gold coins. But the old man resisted all temptations. He would tell everyone, "This horse is like family to me. I can't sell a family member for money." One morning, the old man discovered that the horse was missing from the stable. Despite searching and questioning, they couldn't find it. Rumors spread, and people started saying, "We knew this would happen someday. The old man is too poor and weak to protect such a precious horse." Some even suggested that if the old man had sold the horse to the king, he would have had a comfortable old age. However, the old man remained unfazed, saying, "Whatever happens is fine. The only truth is that the horse is not in the stable. We'll see what happens next." A month later, the horse returned, not stolen but having run away into the forest, and it brought a dozen more horses of the same breed with it. People praised the old man, saying, "You were right, losing the horse wasn't a misfortune but a blessing. Your luck has changed." The old man stayed calm, responding, "The truth is that 12 more horses have come. Whatever happens is fine. We'll see what happens next." His son started learning to tame the wild horses, but after just 3 days, he fell and broke his leg. People sympathized, saying, "You've had a lot of bad luck. Getting 12 horses turned out to be a curse." But the old man maintained, "The truth is my son has lost a leg. I have to help him in his old age. Whatever happens is fine. We'll see what happens next." Later, the kingdom was attacked by the king's enemies, and the young men were forcibly taken into the army. The old man's son, being lame, was spared. People, now in tears, acknowledged, "Your son's broken leg was a blessing. He didn't have to go to war, but we're all upset about our children." The old man explained, "Understand the truth. Your sons have gone to serve the motherland. Whether it's a misfortune or a blessing, no one knows. Stop labeling things as good or bad." He continued, "Stop drawing conclusions from small incidents in life. Stay in the moment. Focus on your actions and thoughts, and live happily. Don't pay attention to what people say about you. Life is like a piano, with white keys as happy moments and black keys as sad moments. Both keys play together to create sweet music in life."